That was just plain in there, I think.
Yeah, sure, go for it.
Got it? Okay. Alright, so we have 5 paddles?
Yes.
2, 3. Where's... I only see 4. There's 5. Which paddle? Oh, mine is the 197.
Yours is 197.
Oh, there's the train. Ooh, that water is definitely a little chillier than it is in that lake. Tim, you guys got all yours?
I don't know if that's mine or yours. Mine's an extra large.
So look on here. That's a small.
That's all yours in.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, let's put all of our eyes on all of our gear, and let's prioritize not putting it on, but just making sure we've got it so that Elizabeth can go.
I'm not seeing much.
Is there, Rick? I believe it's right here.
Which one? Let's see.
Awesome, thank you. I got all my gear now.
All right.
Hold on. Yeah, I got all my gear.
We got 4 paddles down there. There's 5. That's 3 for 5 boats. Does everybody have their PFD? Does everybody have their skirt? Everybody have their helmet? Does everybody have their water bottle? Cool. Ready to close up?
Pointing. You want to point where we're not supposed to go or point where we're supposed to go? What's your take on that?
That is a great question. And you know what? I did forget to do that. Welcome. Hey, y'all tell him happy birthday. I know, I remember. I tell all my raft guide friends happy birthday, regardless of whether it's their birthday. Actually, usually even more so if it's not their birthday. Because your tips are always better on your birthday, and if every day's your birthday. Cool, so we're going to try a skill out here called ferrying. What we're going to do you'll see how there's a little bit of current right here, but then there's another little eddy right here that's still coming from those few rocks. And then there's a little bit of current where I am right now. And then right here again, there's kind of an eddy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna paddle out into that current, and we're gonna keep our nose pointed about 45 degrees that way. Why do you think we might want to be pointed partially upstream?
So, if water's coming straight at you from like the 12 o'clock position,
Yeah.
it's easier to hold your position. You don't hardly have to paddle. If you go a little bit to the right, it helps to actually push your boat to the right.
It does. So it actually, when the water's pushing downstream on your boat, when it's pushing down at you like this, the water's moving you across. But also, the reason you want to keep it pointed partially upstream is just so you don't get pushed downstream as far. So we're going to paddle all the way across to that eddy over there underneath that tree at about a 45-degree upstream angle. So we can use those sweep strokes and the stern draw strokes plus some forward paddling to move us across. When everybody's ready, we'll move across and then we'll ferry back to this side.
Okay.
So everybody watch me, and then as you get ready to launch, come give it a try. So watch me. And see, when I cross that eddy line, I lean downstream. Everybody see that?
Yeah.
Keeping leaning downstream. And then when I come into this eddy, I switch my lean as I come across the eddy line and lean up into the eddy. All right, Rick, you ready?
Yeah.
Come on across.
I'm gonna let that fast go first.
All right, come on, you'll be fine. Cross before him. Here we go, Tim.
Might as well just wait.
Just as you're coming across, keep driving yourself upstream. Yeah, drive it in, Rick. Best one yet.
Whoa!
Yeah, you weigh him first.
Oh, you're good.
Talking about.
Let's do like one more of these. Head downstream. Yeah, nice. Forward paddle strokes, Rick. So if you were an app, what appetizer would you be? Nice angle, Zach. That looks great. Hold that angle. Yeah, get it back around. gonna do something out of this eddy here called a peel out. The top. You're gonna be my guinea bear. What I want you to do, point your boat 45 degrees upstream, paddle hard out into current, and when you're all the way out in that current, just lean downstream, rotate to the left, and let it take you. We're peeling out into the current. Here we go. We'll see how Tom does, y'all. Keep going, keep going. Now lean downstream. Yeah, that's a good peel out, actually. That did not look like a rookie move. And we'll just all head downstream. Y'all peel out, head downstream. Watch me. Just like that. The downstream lean is the most important part. You will flip if you lean upstream. Nice. Nicely done, Zach. Yeah, Rick, that looked great. Show it to me, Tim. Paddle harder, harder out into it. Yeah, paddle into it and then lean downstream. Alrighty, y'all, we're gonna go run our first rapid. This is a little class 2 read and run down here. You know what that means? It means go anywhere you want. One last tip though, if you're gonna hit white water, and I mean any water that looks white, means very literally what it says, hit it with the front of your boat, paddle through it. Let's go do it. Zach, you wanna lead us?
Yeah, lead.
I'll come kind of in the middle. We're gonna go down the right side here, just where all those duckies are going. And then when we get to the very bottom of this rapid, we'll eddy out on the right.
All right.
I'm gonna eddy out on a little rapid on this side. You're gonna watch my line, you two. You too, Rick. And watch how I paddle into this little bitty eddy. Don't try it yet, but just sort of to get it going through your mind.
All right, y'all, here we go. Woo! Oh, a little rock there. Whew. How was that? Was it fun? I said, how was it? Whew.
Get it, Zach. Try and enter higher. Yeah, you can come back up to it. But try and enter higher. Yeah, lean towards me. Yeah. Try and enter it up at that top corner so you're not trying to paddle back up.
All right.
Good job, man.
What's that?
There you go.
Ah! I didn't get it.
Nice try. A little higher, a little tighter. Get back in line, do it again.
A lot of skill to doing this. So a lot of skill to doing this.
You just have to get a feel for what's leaning too much upstream that'll flip you still. So let me go again and kind of show y'all.
I guess I'll go.
Alright, try and go into it right up the top, Zach. Right up the very top. Yeah. Nice. Now go get it. Keep going. Yeah. Keep pushing. Yeah. Nice.
I try to get it.
And you got up in it.
It's a little hard.
Nice job. You can get the torch you want. You got a little time. Keep it. Nice. Good work. Nice, Mom. That's a little bit more forward, Mom. Yeah. What time is it? Oh, that's it. 153? 153. Go.
My job currently is up. I work up there in that area.
Oh, dear.
Yeah.
Got the flat off. Oh, you got it.
Hey, we're about to lose that eddy. Paddle hard to shore. Paddle hard to shore. That eddy kind of ends. Try and grab the top of that eddy.
Whew.
Alright, Zach, can you hold out real quick to grab this boat?
Yeah. job, y'all.
Should I keep going?
Come on into the eddy.
All right. Now I'm in the weeds, y'all. Oh, this water feels so great. Hope you guys are enjoying this intro to whitewater kayaking. It's a lot of work. If you ever plan on coming out here and doing whitewater kayaking, it is a lot of work. It's not easy. I mean, there's a lot of strokes and things you gotta learn how to do, how to turn the kayak. I've already flipped the kayak twice in the river. I'm gonna get back out there and practice these strokes. Yeah, it's unfortunate when I had my bike accident a few years ago. I went and had surgery on my wrist. Unfortunately, one of the bones in my wrist is not getting any blood anymore.
Ooh, that sucks.
Which is the reason why my wrist is the way it is. I want to watch you go down that waterfall.
Okay.
I want to see how you do it. Should we just keep on going?
Yeah. Let's try and close the group up a little bit. Hey, can you just pull over at the bottom of the study?
Yeah. Woo.
Yeah, so let's just kind of pause. All in one clump. One group. Just kind of stay together so that I don't have to be trying to manage two groups instead of one group. And whoever's in front can kind of pick which way we go if we come to the other islands. There's not really anything matter which way we go. So that's pretty much it for lesson today. Right now, just everybody sort of explore, have fun, play with it. You know, if you see a little surf wave, try and surf it. If you see a cool eddy, try and catch it. You know, if you feel like resting, take it easy. And that's pretty much it for the rest of the day. You know, we'll just play around with it on the rest of the river and have fun. Heck yeah.
It's been a good day.
I think it's been a great day. Y'all have done fantastic. This is the best intro class I've had all year. Dead serious. I don't tell all the girls that. We've covered a lot more material than we usually do in an intro class. And y'all are doing well with
We're doing river right.
it. Let's go right. I think it's a little bit better rapid over on this side. Just a little bit more open, but it's not really much either way. And straight will be a little diagonal.
Ah! No!
Try to avoid those strainers, Zach.
What's that?
Let's try and avoid those strainers.
Yeah. It's coming in hot a little bit there.
So this pink blooming tree, by the way, we've seen a number of them. Those are mimosa flowers. Slightly late in their season, but they're still pretty. Yeah, they're about done.
Damn it.
Let's try and eddy out, maybe on this side, and let all these duckies pass us. Juliet or Mita, tell them I said hi. I bet you can surf that little wave right there for at least a minute. What's that? No, we'll just meet at the bottom of this rapid.
Lost my fucking paddle. Well, I did just fucking roll. And I lost my freaking... And I lost my boat. Grab onto my boat. And we're just gonna... I lost my freaking paddle. Damn it. Alright. Shit. There was a rock on there I didn't even see when I was coming up. Tom! Hop out of your boat real quick. And catch him for me. Let go, let go, let go. Here we go. Catch. I lost my freaking paddle.
Lost your paddle?
There was a rock up there that I didn't even see, and I hit it, and it completely spun me.
Hey,
like,
I got it, Rick. Rick, I got it. I got it. Head on the shore. Yep, head on the shore.
come down here. Look at the look on her face.
Yeah.
She was like...
I hope you're filming, man. That was...
I did film that.
There's a little pavilion over there where you can get down low and get close to the action. And it's fun to sit there and film people when they're coming over.
Once I have a little more experience, I'd definitely come back and do that.
Well, I might do it in a few years. You ain't gonna be in the next... You won't be this year. All my friends have been running this. They've already run it 2 or 3 times this week, and I'm like, watch where he goes. He'll go just to the left of that big boulder right there. Watch it. No, he couldn't go far left. Oh no! You see how he did that? He nailed it.
I mean, as long as you keep it straight going down, you shouldn't have any problems. Problem is keeping it straight.
Right.
Alrighty guys, that is the end of today. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure I went on today doing the whitewater kayaking for the first time ever. Gotta say, I didn't do bad, but you know, it's one of those things where, you know, you gotta put a lot of work into it, and it was a lot of work to go through some of those rapids that I went down. It is a lot of work, and honestly, I did really enjoy it, and I'm looking forward to coming back and getting better at it, because whitewater kayaking is truly fun. It's an adrenaline rush, I'm not gonna lie. It is a rush when you go through those rapids and you flip over in the water. It's crazy. It really is. It's something you haven't experienced. It's something you want to do. Definitely come out to this place, Net-All Outdoor Center over here in Bryson City, North Carolina. But guys, just like that, that is the end of today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and y'all know who it is, TFG the Forest Guy, and I'll check back with you guys later.